Hello guys, today we are seeing a 2 units low bed has been packed together, ready for delivery. We packed those 2 low bed, are ready for deliver them by the break bulk vessel or the RoRo vessel. You can see we put 1 trailer on the top, and because the gooseneck it is a little bit to the rear, and we put the ramps in the between of 2 trailers. Here is the spare tire. The spare tire has been fastened very well and using those protections to protect it. Here is the lashing. The lashing, to fasten it from here, it has a hook here, and also we use cables. We put some protections here and to protect it from hitting the side beam. Also difficult to put it here. Anyway, okay, so here we put a internal steel here in the front of the tire, and we weld it, and here we put another, and then we weld it so that on the top the trailer won't move. And here we have those steel bars. We just need to fasten 1 axle, that would be fine. In the rear we have the lashing. We have the lashing from the left to the right, from the left to the right, so it's an X shape. Here we can see more clear at the bottom of the trailer. That's the electricity line, and that's the top of the trailer. And here we can see the air chambers, braking hose, the leaf spring, axles. The axles of the low bed is longer than the normal trailer because this low bed weight is about 3 meters, so the axle is longer than the normal ones. Okay. On this side we have the mud flipper here, and the light, that's the side beam, that's indicated. That's how the cable goes to here. And here we have another channel steel to fix the front axle. This is the 2 box, and we have another X shaped steel cable, and this is this end of the lashing ring, and we don't use the hook. We just use we don't use this hook. We use this hook. Just use this hook to hook the lashing nylon tube, and we use this to fasten it. So once it arrives, you can release it. At this side, we have a channel steel to make sure it won't move during the transportation. In the front of the landing gear, we have another 2 channel steel to fasten it here, and that's the spare tire carrier, and that's how it connects it to the transporting prime mover, a pretty old prime mover, pretty old tractors. Okay, I think that would be all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy our video today, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.